Hey, Cindy, you missed the spot right over there to the left. If you don't mind, go ahead and get this right over here to the left. No, you're doing a good job, but you missed a spot. Yeah, about right there. Go ahead and, no, down a little bit further there. I tell you, yeah, that's pretty good right there, but go ahead and move a little bit to the left. You're missing all the spots. Hey, right there between that mortar, you missed that place between the mortar. Cindy, I'm going to show you a much easier, safer, quicker way to do what you were doing earlier. And so I want you to start this pressure washer and let's show them how to clean this house the right way. Okay? Got a 2700 PSI pressure washer. We've got our safety glasses, hard hat, earplugs, and my beautiful assistant also has her stiletto heels. That's what I'm talking about. Now guys, see how much easier that is when you do it the right way? We got a 2700 PSI pressure washer. You saw how the brick got cleaned up there. And boy, I tell you what, I'm getting pretty tired. I'm going to have a drink of water. But come out to Mike Rentals in Sikeston, Mike Rentals Incorporated, or give us a call, 472-7907 here in Sikeston, Missouri.